Are you struggle with joint pain today? Are stiff knees, aching hips, or painful joints keeping you from enjoying your everyday life? Do you find it hard to walk, climb stairs, or even get out of bed without discomfort? You're not alone. Joint pain affects millions of people, especially as we age. But what if there was a natural way to take back control without relying on painkillers or invasive procedures? That's where Joint Genesis comes in. In this video, we're diving into what Joint Genesis is, how it works, and why so many people are turning to this powerful supplement to support joint health and mobility. What is Joint Genesis? Joint Genesis is a cutting-edge joint support formula developed to target the root cause of joint discomfort, the thinning of the synovial fluid that cushions your joints. It's not just another glucosamine supplement. Joint Genesis combines advanced science with ancient plant-based ingredients to restore flexibility, reduce inflammation, and support long-term joint comfort. Whether you're an active adult, a senior dealing with age-related joint degeneration, or someone recovering from physical stress, this supplement is designed to help your joints feel younger, stronger, and more resilient. How it works, the science behind the relief. So, how does Joint Genesis actually work? The magic lies in a unique compound called Mobilee-R, a patented ingredient rich in hyaluronic acid, collagen, and polysaccharides that replenish and rejuvenate the synovial fluid inside your joints. Think of this fluid as the natural cushion and lubricant between your bones. As we age, we lose this protective layer, leading to friction, stiffness, and pain. Joint Genesis helps restore that fluid, reduce inflammation, and rebuild joint tissues, giving you smoother, more comfortable movement with each passing day. Plus, it includes ingredients like ginger root, Boswellia serrata, and pycnogenol, known for their potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Benefits of using Joint Genesis. The benefits of Joint Genesis go far beyond just easing pain. With regular use, users report feeling increased flexibility, reduced morning stiffness, improved range of motion, and greater independence in daily activities. It's a great option for anyone who wants to stay active and mobile without relying on constant medications or risking long-term side effects. People are walking longer, exercising again, gardening, playing with grandkids, and doing all the things they love with confidence and comfort. Best of all, it's non-GMO, gluten-free, and made in a GMP-certified facility, ensuring you get both safety and quality. Real people, real results. Thousands of people across the country are already seeing the results of Joint Genesis. Just listen to the stories. Seniors who were once dependent on walkers now stroll freely in the park. Office workers spending long hours sitting say their stiffness is gone. And athletes recovering from joint injuries are finding faster, smoother recovery. The feedback is clear. Joint Genesis is changing lives by restoring mobility and easing joint discomfort naturally and effectively. How to use it. Simple and convenient. Taking Joint Genesis is simple. Just one easy-to-swallow capsule per day is all it takes to start supporting your joints from within. No complicated schedules, no multiple pills, just consistent daily support. While many people begin to notice improvements within a few weeks, the real, lasting benefits come with continued use. Pair it with a healthy lifestyle, like gentle stretching, hydration, and a balanced diet, for even better results. Final thoughts: reclaim your active life. You don't have to live with joint pain. You don't have to give up the things you love because of stiff knees or aching hips. With Joint Genesis, you have a natural, science-backed solution to help you move better, feel better, and live better. So if you're ready to take the first step toward pain-free living and stronger joints, give Joint Genesis a try today. Your joints will thank you. So click on link below to learn more, or check out description of this video to get visit official page of this product. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you've tried this product or have questions. See you in the next video.